There was a time when computers filled an entire room, then innovation made them small enough to fit on a desk. Today, they've transformed into portable machines that fit on your lap, and now laptops are smaller and more powerful than ever. Discover cutting-edge technology and be amazed by the power you can hold in your hands. Every step of manufacturing hides incredible precision, and what you're about to see might just change the way you look at electronics. At the heart of this computer lies the motherboard, the true brain of the device, built from a sophisticated printed circuit board. A network of copper lines forms the pathways through which all electronic components communicate. An automated machine applies a precision stencil, then deposits solder paste on specific areas of the circuit. A high-definition camera captures images and sends them to an intelligent analysis system, which detects any anomaly such as misalignment or missing material. And if you really want to understand how modern technology shapes our lives, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It helps the channel and ensures you won't miss any content as fascinating as this.
If everything check out. The board goes through 15 industrial robots.
Each places up to 150 components in just 30 seconds. The board then passes through a specialized oven where the paste melts, bonding each component to the motherboard. Another visual inspection ensures the central processor is properly soldered and that nothing is misaligned. After a functional test, the board is set aside to make room for manual assembly. Experienced technicians mount the upper part of the laptop, known as the display panel. They apply a protective film to a 15-inch LCD screen, then connect the main cable to the motherboard. The screen is integrated into a frame equipped with a webcam and microphone. A lower cover with an antenna is then fixed, and the connection cable is positioned inside. The webcam and microphone are installed, followed by two sturdy hinges that connect the screen to the rest of the computer. The Wi-Fi card is also put in place. All components are then concealed under a sleek top cover, and a slim metal frame completes the assembly. Next comes the lower part of the laptop. The technicians attach the upper cover along with the precision touchpad. Then they add the left and right speakers. The motherboard returns to the line, where a computer-assisted milling machine cuts precise openings to install the cooling fans. A gaming laptop generates much more heat and therefore requires two powerful fans. Once secured, the motherboard is installed, with connectors carefully cleaned and dried with compressed air. Then comes the installation of the memory module, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and the SSD drive, not to mention the high-capacity battery, essential for this type of machine. Finally, the keyboard is installed into a dedicated opening in the upper cover. A laser engraves the characters, and an automated machine tests the main functions. A specialized team then checks virtual reality performance, screen display, keyboard lighting, and of course the durability of the keys.